Hello everyone. I hope you all are utilizing your quarantine time by studying and daily you are watching your lectures, online lectures. Till now, you all have studied about chemical reactions, types of chemical reactions, how to write a chemical reaction, how to balance a chemical equation, what is the need of balancing a chemical reaction. So children, in the last topic you studied about oxidation and reduction reactions. Now everyone knows oxidation and reduction together known as redox reaction. Now your today's topic is what is the effect of oxidation reaction in everyday life. What is oxidation? Oxidation is gain of oxygen or loss of hydrogen. So today now we are going to start effects of oxidation reactions in everyday life. Children, you know oxidation has damaging effect on metals as well as on food. The damaging effect of oxidation on metals is studied as corrosion and that on food is studied as rancidities. Thus we are going to study about two effects of oxidation today. First is corrosion of metals and second is rancidity of food. What is corrosion? It is a process in which metals are eaten up gradually by the action of air and moisture on their surface. And in the case of iron, the term used is known as rusting. You all are aware of rusting. What is rusting? Have you seen iron nails? When you bring them home, they are very shiny, but after few days, when you keep it in moisture, they have a covering of brown color on them. What is that covering? That covering is known as rust. You can see the picture. You can see the formation of rust on an iron chain with the help of this picture. So children, I am attaching a short video of rusting for your better understanding. Just watch this video. I hope after watching this video, now you are clear with the process of rusting. What is rusting? When an iron object is left in damp air for a considerable time, it gets covered with a red-brown flaky substance called rust. This is called rusting of iron. Corrosion weakens the iron and steel objects and structures such as railings, bridges, ships, etc. A lot of money has to be spent every year to prevent corrosion of metals. Now next effect of oxidation is effect on food, that is known as rancidity. Now what is rancidity? Oxidation also has damaging effect on foods containing fats and oils. When the food materials prepared in fat and oils are kept for a long time, they start giving unpleasant smell and taste. The fat and oil containing food material which give unpleasant taste are said to have become rancid. कभी आपकी मम्मा ने आपको एप्पल दी है टिफिन में कट करके, है ना? कभी देखे ड्यूरिंग द ब्रेक यू डोंट फील लाइक ईटिंग दैट एप्पल, क्यों? बिकॉज इट टर्न्स ब्राउन इन कलर. What is the cause of that brown color? It is because of oxidation of food. It is because of oxidation reaction. Oxidation products have unpleasant smell and taste, and this process is known as rancidity. Now children, how can we prevent rancidity of food? There are different methods. By the help of those methods we can prevent rancidity of food. First is by packaging fat and oil containing food in nitrogen gas. Do you know your chips packets are filled? Your chips packets have very few chips in them, hardly, and your chips packet is filled with air. What is that air? That is nitrogen gas. Why nitrogen gas is filled in chips packets? Because nitrogen gas is an inert gas. It cuts off the reaction between the food and the air. That's why it avoids the food to turn rancid. Now second method is you can keep your food in refrigerator. And third method is by storing food in airtight containers, you can prevent your food to become rancid. So children, that's all for today. Today we have learnt about effect of oxidation in our daily life. Stay home, stay safe.